there are no guarantees in life, but one thing I can guarantee is that this video will save you from losing money, and that's why you need to share this video, so that a lot of people will get the information I'm about to share, so that they won't lose money in the crypto space. This video is basically for people in the crypto space. I'm not a big fan of meme coins. Meme coins are, I see them as pump and dump coin. I see them as coins that don't have consistent growth, because coins are meant to have consistent growth. Coins like Bitcoin, Solana, we see them move from 100 to 200 to 300 to 1,000. These are consistent growth. But meme coins like Shiba Inu, Bonk, Pepe, Waffle, there are so many of them. Meme coins are, like the name sounds, meme is a joke coin. It's meant to pump and dump, like from online sentiment and the rest. So individual creates these meme coins. Like you can create a meme coin, I can create a meme coin. Individual create these coins and they create them for different purposes. Some people have good intentions, some people have long-term intentions, some people have, it can be anything. But what I'm trying to do in this video is to educate you properly before you buy a meme coin, because there are so many of them right now. There's one specific thing you should look out for, and before the end of this video I will show you what it is and how to look out for it. When you go to your browser, you click on desk screener. I already have it, deskscreener.com. You click on it and it takes you to a website like this. I'm using this on my phone. If you have a laptop, it's going to be very, very, very much okay with your laptop. But if you don't have a laptop, you can still do crypto. So this is my laptop. These are a list of meme coins. Meme coins are coins I don't really trust. But if you must do buy meme coins, I advise you to always do this check, because why people lose money is that they just come into something they don't understand. So if you must buy meme coins are meant to pump and dump. But if you must buy meme coin, you come to desk screener, and all these are Solana based meme coins. So let us just click on, for example, let us click on anyone. So click on it. When you click on it now, you can see that it has a Twitter, it has a website, it has Telegram and the rest. There are many things to check, but this should be the most important check. Once this is confirmed, you have the green light to buy. You know, anybody can create a meme coin. You can create a meme coin, I can create a meme coin, but we must make sure that it is locked. Look at this area. You can see where they said $90K. There is a padlock and a cycle. That is sure that it is locked. This means that the owners have little or no influence to what this coin can do, because if it's not locked, the owners can allow people pumping money and they take out the money and the coin dumps. That's how people lose money. So you want to make sure that liquidity is locked. A huge amount of it is locked. So once it's locked, it's a good buy. And you can actually invest your money in it. And there are no guarantees. Because it's locked doesn't mean that you might not lose money, but at least you know that the liquidity has been locked by exchanges and individuals who are outside the owners. But if it's not locked, the owners can actually do whatever they want to do, and people can lose money anyhow. So make sure you check for liquidity locked, and a good number of it should be locked. Okay guys, I believe this video was very, very insightful and you learned a lot from it. Do well to share this video so that people will get to see it. And I hope everybody is getting ready for the bull run, and I hope everybody is excited for the bull run. So guys, until next time, I wish you good luck.